In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete pages in Adobe Acrobat. Let's start by opening Adobe Acrobat on your computer. Once it's running, head to the upper left corner and click the main menu. From there, choose Open. This brings up your file browser so you can navigate to the PDF you want to edit. Select the file that contains the page or pages you want to remove, then click Open to load it into Acrobat. When your document opens, take a moment to look at the left-hand side of the window. You should see page thumbnails that mirror the order of your PDF. This preview is helpful because it lets you visually confirm which page you're about to delete before making any changes. Next, go to the top panel and click Edit. In that menu, choose Organize Pages. This switches the workspace to a tiled view of your document showing each page as a card with its page number. It's designed specifically for actions like reordering, rotating, extracting, and deleting pages, so this is the right place to work. Now click to select the page you want to delete. If you need to remove more than one page, you can select multiple pages before deleting, which is often faster than repeating the process. The thumbnails make it easy to double check you're targeting the correct content, especially if your document is long or includes similar looking pages. With your page or pages selected, click the trash bin icon. Acrobat may prompt you to confirm the deletion, approve the action, and those pages will be removed from the document. If you change your mind or delete the wrong page, don't worry. You can immediately undo the action using the undo command so you can try again without losing your work. After you finish deleting the pages you don't need, make sure to save your changes. Click Save to update the file. If you want to preserve the original document just in case, you can save a copy under a new name instead. Either way, saving ensures your edits are locked in and ready to share or archive. That's the full process. Open your PDF, switch to Organize Pages through the Edit menu, select the pages you no longer need, delete them with the trash bin, and then save your document. It's quick, clean, and keeps your PDFs focused on the content that matters. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you streamline your files with confidence in Adobe Acrobat.